Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how to fix your iPod with the cracked screen. Actually, a little wet on the back, but that's not going to do much. So let's get into the video. First, you're going to want to take a block of dry ice, about that big, and you're going to want to place your iPad on top. It might start to rattle off just like that, but then you're going to want to find the perfect spot and set it right there. After a couple minutes, you might see it kind of get a little foggy around the sides. Try to focus up on it, like right there, getting all foggy. And that's a perfect message to grab your other block of dry ice, which is right here, and place it on top. Now you're going to want to wait a couple minutes. See, the fog on the side is going to start to settle down. And you could see a corner sticking out there. And it's really foggy, and all like that white stuff is on it. You know the top block of dry ice is good if you can take a quarter or a coin and it'll rattle just like that. Now you're going to want to try to take any mallet, hammer, axe, knife, and just take it, get a good build up, and then as you can see, the iPod is now in perfect condition with a small little bubble under the screen. And that means the effect is taking place right about now. After a couple minutes of being cool, as you can see, it's going to start to get a little sticky, and that's fine. Shards of glass might start to come off the screen, just like that, and that's normal. Now, we need to, flip this effect backwards. Since it's been so cold, we need to, rewind that and get it a little more hot. As you can see, after a couple minutes of it being away from the ice, it really starts to settle down. So then you're going to want to take your mini blowtorch and start to heat it up. Can't you see the difference already? It's starting to work now. See, the hole in the screen means that it's turning on. Thanks for joining me on how to fix your iPod. And yes, it's really that easy, with only 2 steps. Go to my channel page where you can figure out how to fix your Epson printer and how to fix an iPhone 1.